There are many kinds of knowledge in this world, but what is the perfect knowledge? What is the topmost knowledge? Hmm? The perfect knowledge is to understand that I am meant to serve. My constitutional position is to serve. Bring anybody in this world who can say that I am not a servant. Any man or woman in this world, within this universe, you get him, ask him, are you not a servant? Are you not serving somebody or something? Can anyone say, any of us, that we are not servant? Anyone? No. Everybody is a servant. Somebody is a servant of family. Somebody is serving country. Somebody is serving society. Somebody is serving friends. Somebody is serving community. And if somebody has no family or wife to serve, they get at least a cat or a dog to serve, because we cannot live without service. One must be a servant. So, perfect knowledge is to understand that anyway I am serving, I am a servant. So why not serve the Supreme? That is knowledge. This is perfection of knowledge. Nobody can be free from being a servant. Either you are a servant of God or you are a servant of dog. You must be servant. So the intelligent person, a wise person, he becomes servant of God. And when you are actually serving God, just like yatha taror mula nisechanena, when you pour water to the root, you will be doing best service to the branches, to the twigs, to the trunk, to the fruits and flowers, all parts of the tree. So those who are actually serving God, not pretending to serve God, they are actually rendering best service to community, society, just like they are naturally compassionate. They see a dog suffering on the street. A God-conscious person will have compassion. So, this is the best service one can do. So, the entire creation, all the living beings are God's children. So, when somebody loves his or her father, they will also love brothers and sisters. That is real fraternity and brotherhood. So, and intelligent person, that an intelligent person tries to go for a higher service. Suppose a person has joined a company. Now, he gets an offer from a bigger company. So he thinks bigger company might, even if they are not paying right now, the perks are the same, but I'll have bigger opportunity. Then he gets an offer from still some company which is still bigger. Then he jumps to that job. Then in a country like India, government jobs are very much appreciated. They are very highly valuable because you don't have to do much work, even if you don't do practically anything. And the perks, the pay package is very good, and it's a job for life mostly. Now, of course, the things are becoming little tight, but traditionally a government job was for life. So everybody was aiming to go for the government job. in countries like India. So then one thinks, why not take up a job in the supreme government, in the government of all the governments? That is God. So that is perfect knowledge. And now one may say that, okay, who is the biggest person in my country? Naturally is the president or the prime minister. Some countries have president and some countries have prime ministers. So then he is the biggest boss. But if you ask him, sir, what are you doing? He says, I am serving my country. So the top boss is also a servant. So to think that I am a master is actually not correct. Nobody is a master. Our constitutional position is to serve. You know how when somebody is so lonely, has nobody to serve, he gets a dog to serve and love. He gets a dog, he takes the dog for a walk, he carries a small packet with him, carry bag. And when the dog is passing stool, he waits. Then he scoops up the dog shit and packs it up and tucks it in his bag. It's a service because he has nobody else to serve. So, Chaitanya Charitamrita in the Adi Leela, I think it's 5:142. Lord Chaitanya is saying, Akala Ishvara Krishna Arasa Bhritya Jaiche je nachai se taiche kare nritya. God is the only master and everyone is servant. And every servant is dancing according to order of that supreme master. That's all. Nobody is master. And if we think we are a master, that is Maya or illusion, that which is not. Nobody is a master. We are here. So, love God and serve God. And love all the children of God and serve all the children of God.